MTA connectors are wire-to-board connectors that use a so-called insulation displacement connection system. For these connectors, stranded wires cannot be used. They only work properly with solid core wire. Using a special tool, wires are squeezed into a V-shaped gap, and a metal clip cuts through the insulation and makes an electrical contact. To do this section, you're going to make 1, 3, or 4 wire connector per person, and you'll show it to the instructor when you're done. When you do connectors like these, always use a multimeter and double check that each wire has a good contact. We'll show you other types of connectors later in the course.